Bear, Bear, come on. Today it's the big day. Bear.
Oh, good morning, Masha. What happens?
Bear, today it's the big day. It's the big party. And we can see the fireworks.
Oh no, not again.
What do you mean? Have you ever seen them before?
Yes, sure. I've seen them last year. It's horrible.
No, but why?
Because they are very pretty, but they make a lot of noise and they scare the animals.
Oh, I didn't know that. Why do they get scared?
They get scared because animals like me have a more delicate hearing than humans. And when we hear that noise, we don't understand it and we get scared.
Oh no. So I'm sure you don't want to see the fireworks with me, right?
I didn't say that. I have a very good trick against that horrible noise.
So cool. What is the trick about?
Wait a moment, I'll show you. Giant headphones.
You look like Mickey Mouse. You look so funny with them.
Yes, they are great. And I can see the fireworks with no problem.
Okay, Bear. You are screaming a lot.
Oh, I'm sorry.
But Bear, we have to do something for helping the rest of the animals.
I know.
What did you do when you didn't have your headphones?
I used to hide and cover my ears with cotton.
Okay, we have to cover the ears of all the animals with cotton before it gets dark and the party starts.
But Masha, there's a lot of animals in the forest.
Come on, Bear, we can't waste more time.
Finally, they are gonna start, Masha. Masha? Oh, poor girl. She's tired because she did a lot of things today. But she shouldn't miss this. If I don't wake her up, she will be mad at me the rest of the year. What can I do?
What happened? What was that?
You fell asleep. Look, Masha, the fireworks.
Oh, so pretty. Today, Masha and Bear spent the day covering all the animals' ears. They won't be afraid of fireworks anymore. Do you remember what did Bear use for avoiding the noise of the fireworks? Headphones or earrings? You can write the answer in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to watch more of their adventures, you can click on one of these videos. You can also subscribe to this channel in the center of the screen. Bye!